All right, now what I'm going to show you is our next step, and that's kind of to individualize some of the different images or paragraphs that we have. And it's just called dot notation. And we want to classify the name and then use dot notation in our style sheet to make it how we want it. All right, so right now you can see we have 3 images in our website or web page, and what we want to do is we want to individualize them. So inside the image tag, and this can be anywhere inside the tag, and what I mean by inside the tag is in between the less than and greater than sign, you're going to just hit space and you're going to click class, all right, to classify it. Now you're going to label it anything you want. I already have this labeled as 1. Now, this one is labeled 1, this one is labeled 2, and this image is labeled class 3. So when we go into our style sheet, now in order to make it separate, instead of just using all of the image, like you can see right here, every single heading one has the font weight bold in the display inline block. In this one, just the image labeled 1 is floating to the right with a border color dark goldenrod and the border style solid. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is you click to add a new one, you hit dot, that's why it's dot notation, dot, and then you put the name of the image that you, or the element or property that you are trying to mess with. All right, so if I wanted to do this for my heading right up here, in the head, in the very beginning right here, I'm going to hit H1, I'm going to hit space, and I'm going to put class, and I'm going to label this as heading 1, all one word. Okay, so now it still is heading number 1, but if I wanted to make it, different than the other ones, I'm going to hit down here. I'm going to put dot heading 1 and the curly brackets, and now I'm going to say maybe color that. Okay, now if I had a different heading in here, and in which case I can put one, and I'll just say heading number 1 is also person's address, whatever. Now to end it, you'll see that it is just black, right? It's black, it's not